Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video we have covered that how to read digital input data in NORVI ESP32 based industrial controller. So if you have any proximity sensor just like inductive proximity sensor, capacitive proximity sensor or any other digital sensor, if you want to take input from those sensor in the ESP32 based industrial controller, then we can do that. Okay, so here you can see this is the digital input, okay, in the NORVI ESP32 base industrial controller. So we have connected our inductive proximity sensor with the IF0, and whenever we put our screwdriver on the head of inductive proximity sensor, we will have digital input here. Okay, now here you can see we have two transistor output in this module. Then how we can use those two transistor outputs, so that thing we are going to cover in this video. So here on the camera you can see I have connected this two LED with two transistor output. Okay, and we want to control this LED using those two output. Then how we can do that? Right now both the transistor output is off, so that's why the LED is glowing. Okay, it's a reverse logic. Okay, so if you visit the documentation page of NORVI GSM controller, then in the digital output section you will see that. Okay, here you can see transistor output and it's an open collector. So whenever your output is off, it will give you the high voltage, okay, or it will be active high, and whenever you turn on your output, it will be low. So whenever I turn on any of the output, then my LED will be in off state, and whenever it's in off state or my output is off, the LED will be in high state. Okay, so it will be the reverse logic. Now if we want to control this, then how we can control it? So here is the complete Arduino sketch for that. Okay, so output 1 is the pin number 12 and output 2 is the pin number 2, or you can say GPIO 12 and 2. So we are going to control in the three way. Okay, first we will set our first output high and second output low. After 5 seconds we will keep our first output low and second output high, and then after we will keep our both the output in low condition. So whenever the output is high, that LED will be off. Okay, whenever the output is low, that LED will be on. And so here one output is high, one output is low, so output 1 LED will be off and output 2 LED will be on. Here output 1 LED will be on, output 2 LED will be off, and here both will be on. Okay, so let's connect our NORVI ESP32 based industrial controller with our system using micro USB cable. Okay, before that, here I have provided 24-volt DC power supply. Okay, and I have connected the positive pin of this two LED to this transistor output, and the negative is here in the power connection. Okay, in the ground, or you can say in the negative. And here I have turned on this industrial controller using 24-volt DC power supply, so you can see the complete brightness of this LED. Okay, now let me connect. Okay, we have connected this industrial controller with our system. Now we can open the Arduino IDE. Here we can select ESP32 development module. Okay, so ESP32 dev module and COM port. Okay, I hope the void loop programming is clear. Okay, now we will upload this code into our ESP32 based industrial controller. Okay, so upload is done. Now we will open the serial monitor here. I'll clear the entire thing of serial monitor, and here you can see output 1 is low and output 2 is high. So whenever you will see the low, it means it will be in turn on state. Okay, whenever you see output is high, it will be turn off state. So right now you can see output 1 is low, so this is the output 1 and this is the output 2. So here you can see output 2 is low, output 1 is also low, so both are on. Output 1 is high, so that's why it is off, and output 2 is this one. Okay, so this is how you can control your digital outputs, or you can say digital equipments, using this NORVI ESP32 based industrial controller. Also, you can see the output status here in this window. Okay, so you can see there is no LED glowing, means both output are off. Okay, and here you can see first output is on, it means our LED will stay off. Second output is on, means our second LED will stay off. Both are off, so both LED will stay on. Okay, first is on, so first LED will be off. Okay, so this is how you can use your NORVI ESP32 based industrial controller to control the digital equipments of your industry. So instead of this LED, you can put relay here, and you can control the relay using this ESP32 based industrial controller, and based on the relay output you can control the larger equipments in your industry. So I hope this thing is clear, and if you still have any questions or any doubt, then you can always ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, anywhere. If you need this code, then code is available on our GitHub repository. So here is our GitHub repository. I will provide this link in the description of this video, so you can go there and you can use this code. Okay, so let's meet in the future videos regarding ESP32 based industrial controller. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.